will not miss this one, okay? This is actually ano. Okay guys, so from the yard, take some walk lang. Palakot ka rin. So the temperature right now is around 2 degrees Celsius. So photos kayo pa. Yeah, the yard right there. So yes. But wala ka data. So wala kayo tao. Huwag yung tao. Wala ko guys. You see from right there. Okay. So ako rin naglako-lakaw rin dere. Dali ako kinan, and the shops are still kanang closed. So sirado pa ang mga shops. Normally they will open like around 9 a.m. or 10, 11 a.m. I think this place is very nice na for if you want to kanang to live kanang serene or kanang away from the city ba. So ramen niya Ichitora. Tora is tiger. Okay. Then minga. So Sekiguchi. Okay, so nagpili mga bowls dito. Actually these are for kanang mga drinks ba. Mga sake. Liquor shop. If you want to buy some souvenirs, so like sake, mga nihon sake. Ganyan. Ay, thankfully na si Lola. Sa'yo pa is Lola na. Okay, Mocha City. Mocha City is part of Tochigi, some 120 kilometers away from Tokyo. So we've been here for the other side of Tochigi, but for this place we're staying already for 2 weeks, but the hotel is different from the other one. Okay, so let's try to catch up. Oh no. So wake up neighborhoods. Actually most of them are preparing now their kanang sa work. So usually around mga 8 busy na kani nga krusada. But for now kita pa nagtikaw-tikaw dere.
Turn left.
Hindi na siya nice lagi dito. Yara ha. Turn left. Wow. Terus agi. Okay, turn left. But we will cross it with this kanang pedestrian. Actually pwede man mulabang dito no. But let's have some soba. Okay, so we'll take some promenade guys. Sorry sa taginagmay dere and explore this place. So it says here turn left. Okay. So what's in the left side? So you have to So while walking, kabantay ta diri na park diri sa right side. And yeah, I park diri guys. And if you notice the colors of leaves, kay autumn naman karon diri. No, so autumn, and the leaves are changing from going to yellow, then red, then browns, then most of them na mga po ano ni mga lagas na ni. So we will check that part right there kung saan naadi ka.
Turn right.
Oh, turn right. Yeah, don't turn right. So ano ito nakita ang pangis ng pininahi.
Turn right.
Turn right. Yan, later. Okay. Ada doggy. So can ada park there guys. So pwede tayo mag-suroy there eh. Eventually, wala ko tayo nakita dari nga train ni Agi, no? Okay, so from this place, so from this junction going to around 200 meters. Also, these are all sakura trees. No, naka-line up na siya. Then if you notice mo, yung madako ng sakura because lagas na siya guys. And I think this place is good for viewing, especially sa ng Labayan train ba. But unfortunately at this very hour, wala pa yung train. So SL nga train ang mga dili guys. SL kato mga steam locomotive. I think it's steam locomotive. And it's steam na there is a Japan base. No, so na-preserve yun nila ang mga steam locomotive. Okay, based ni Google Map, we are about 50 meters away sa SL. Aspan? I haven't seen any object. What will be reading? Oh! 50 meters? Sa 50 meters. It's cold guys, so if you notice na Astro there is sa left side. So it's 2 degrees Celsius guys. So the sun is coming up and usually comes okay. Oy, we have a good timing. Okay, so yeah, let's wait. I think the train is passing. Saan na? Don't train guys. Will not miss this one, okay? This is actually so here is one beautiful park today guys. And na, that's right there. Ano siya, ang tawag ko, ginkgo tree. Also, it's on this yellow na siya guys. Then, ano yung dahon na. So, ginkgo trees. Wow. Actually, they're calling this ginan sa mga Japanese. So the neighborhood is still sleeping. Also, these are some sakura trees. The line up siya guys. So leaves are falling down. Anyways, all over Japan, so during autumn, kining mga dahon, mga pabili siya, mga larat. Kining mga sakura trees na. And really excited guys. And then sakura. Isa lang yan. Napit guys. Oh, wow. And guys. And oh, mo rin siya. Ay. Parang guys na pag ulit siya. Violet na pan. Violet na roots. Ah. Ano po part? So at least we have the idea about our possible jogging place now. So there's no need for us to go farther. Yeah, here's some pretty nice place for jogging. Then one time. Sa country. No, these are centuries. No, this is like years. Not century old. Okay, so there's another park here. So the streets now are getting busier guys, and then ano yung mga estudyante guys. No, so, and we'll go back sa ato ang the yard sa hotel. Prepare for work. Okay. Yung mga estudyante na no. Ano ko mas eskwela.